Welcome back to Bike Plus, your go-to source for everything two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Yamaha YZ450F, a machine that's pushing the boundaries of motocross performance. With refined power, advanced tech, and thoughtful updates, Yamaha continues to raise the bar. Let's get into what makes this bike a serious contender on the track. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 YZ450F is its fuel-injected, liquid-cooled 450 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine, now tuned for more usable power across the entire rev range. Yamaha has managed to squeeze out improved low-end torque without sacrificing the explosive top-end riders expect. This year's model also features an optimized intake port design and ECU mapping for a crisper throttle response, giving riders better control when exiting corners or attacking jumps. Chassis and suspension. Yamaha sticks with the tried-and-true bilateral beam aluminum frame, but with revised rigidity for enhanced cornering precision and reduced rider fatigue. Coupled with KYB speed-sensitive system forks and a rear shock that's been revalved for 2025, the suspension delivers a perfect balance of comfort and aggressive performance. Whether you're skimming whoops or landing big air, this setup keeps the YZ450F planted and predictable. Ergonomics and design. Yamaha continues its focus on rider ergonomics. The slimmer bodywork and narrower fuel tank make for easier movement, and the updated seat profile gives riders better grip and maneuverability. The cockpit is clean and minimalist, designed for efficiency during high-intensity rides. A lightweight lithium battery keeps the electric start system quick and reliable without adding bulk. Technology and features. The 2025 YZ450F carries over the Yamaha Power Tuner app, allowing riders to customize fueling and ignition timing from their smartphones. It's a game-changer for adapting the bike to different tracks or rider styles. Launch control and traction control are standard, giving racers the edge they need out of the gate. Conclusion, final thoughts from Bike Plus. The 2025 Yamaha YZ450F is more than just an update, it's a complete package designed for performance, comfort, and adaptability. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an ambitious amateur, this bike delivers. Stay tuned to Bike Plus for more reviews and ride insights.